Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am jumping into my Glossybox for the month of August. This is actually their 10th anniversary box, and just by looking at it, this is probably my favorite Glossybox I've gotten in a very long time. So if you want to jump into this box with me and go through all of the products, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the August 10th anniversary birthday Glossybox, stay tuned. Okay, so I am missing an item because I got the box in the mail as I was going on vacation. I was in New York for a week, visiting family. It was actually really good, so I'm glad I got to unwind for a little bit. But I did, grab an item, took it with me, and now it's missing. So I do not have item number 6, which is the one I'm going to start with. But the theme is obviously the 10th anniversary box, which is really cute. This is our 10th anniversary, and we are thrilled to celebrate with you. We love all things pretty and pink, so we're bringing you an extra special box this month to get you party ready. Get ready to dance the night away with the amazing products in your August Glossy box. So, item number 1 I do have on me. This is the Cab Lip Oil. We actually received this a while ago in a Boxycharm. This is in the shade Juicy Melon, which is cute and pink. Now, these are so lightly tinted that the color doesn't really do much. So I am actually wearing the blue one today, and clearly my lips are not blue. I love this formula. It is super hydrating. This has been featured in my favorites. I love that it is a nice, big, juicy applicator wand, and it just doesn't feel sticky. It's a nice, lightweight oil, but it is definitely more on the glossy side, so you can wear it on top of a lip and still get some nice pigment out of it. Now, the Cab oil, there's no time for chapped lips or messy, sticky gloss, so this non-sticky lip oil will leave your lips with an instant burst of hydration with a subtle pigment shine. A large doe-foot applicator makes it easy to use, retails for $20. Definitely an amazing product that I'm very familiar with. The next item out of the box is a deluxe mini from Glow Recipe. This is their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I've actually used this in the past. Glow Recipe sent me a full size of it, and I really liked it. This mini retails for $10. It is a good cleanser. No, I'm sorry, I'm going to read this better. A good cleanser is the first step to having a healthy, glowing skin routine. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser cleanser and clarifying mask hydrates your skin without stripping it, helping it combat blemishes and breakouts over time. Dispense 1 pump into wet palms and rub the hands together to create a lather. Then massage onto wet skin for 1 minute, then thoroughly rinse. I'm a big fan of this, and I actually do have a wedding in New York coming up, so I'm actually going to put this right aside to be my travel cleanser because I am a big fan of it. Next up from the brand Hask, this is the Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. This is a $2.99 value. It's a one-time use. Apply after shampooing to wet hair, leave for 1 to 2 minutes, and rinse. Infused with hydrolyzed keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity, this conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine, perfect for hot and humid August air. I live in Florida, so I definitely need that. Unfortunately, I can't read today because words are very hard. So I'm going to drop this in my shower and try it out. I will let you know in an upcoming video what I think, but it is sulfate and paraben free, and you know that's very important to me in my hair care routine. The next product comes from the brand Cetaphil. This is actually the new Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. This is a nourishing, lightweight formula to add hydration for 48 hours, featuring a hydrosensitive complex which deepens dynamic hydration and soothes skin sensitivity. The hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5, and vitamin E help to hydrate the skin. Apply generously all over clean skin on the body. I can't speak today. This is a $9.99 value, so right now we've already gotten the $16 value just in me liking the lip oil. So I can tell you right now that this box is worth it. I personally don't love Cetaphil. I know a lot of people do. I personally don't, but that's just me. I find it really sketchy the amount of kickbacks they do to a lot of dermatologists. But I am going to try this out, and I'm going to use this as an opportunity to change my mind, or at least I'm hoping. Let me know your thoughts down below on Cetaphil. The next item is another mini. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is another product that I've received a full size of in my Boxycharm, so I do already know I like this product. It is a nice anti-wrinkle day cream. The mini is a $45 value. The full size is $128. So made with powerful marine and plant actives, including Padina pavonica, cholera, chlorella. Wow, I'm having a day. And the ginkgo biloba. This anti-aging formula is clinically proven to improve hydration and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Your face will look and feel firmer and more radiant. I'm really excited to use this again because I haven't used it in a while. I am going to take this opportunity to shout out what I've been using for hydration for about a week now, and I'm already feeling the additional hydration. This is from the brand Esme. This is the Skin Treat Good for Your Skin, Food for Your Skin. It is a hyaluronic hydrating serum. They did send it to me, but this is not sponsored, but it is a super lightweight gel. It almost reminds me like the hyaluronic booster from Dr. Dennis Gross, but it just adds so much hydration to my skin while also really feeling everything nice and plump. It has niacinamide, so it helps with the size of my pores. So I've really been enjoying that, and I'm really eager to see how this will pair with this, just because of how much I've been liking the Esme Hydration Hyaluronic Niacinamide Booster recently. And the last item out of the box is the one I do not have with me because I took it with me to New York and lost it already. It is the Invisa Bobble. It's one of those like little stretchy hair ties that's meant to do no breakage. The slim, elegant sister to the original Invisa Bobble is the perfect foundation for a party updo. Ponytail holder makes it easy for a cute and safe way to tie and style your hair. Retails for $8. My hair is like pinned back, but it comes down to like here. So when I don't want to deal with it, I just kind of pop it right on top of my head. And I do love the bobbles. I have a few of them, but unfortunately, either I lost it or my sister stole it. But either way, it is somewhere in New York. So all in, this box has a pretty decent value, especially because the glossy boxes are like 16 bucks a month. Usually they have a code for getting $1 off your first box. Not $1 off, I'm sorry, your first box for $1. So if that's the case, I will leave that in the description box so you can check out the code down there to get a discount on your first box if you choose to subscribe. Not an affiliate code, I'm not making any money off of it. I'm just sharing a deal with you because this might be the best glossy box I've received in a very long time. So thank you so much for watching if you made it all the way to the end. If you did, let me know down below some of your favorites from the items in the box. I'm going to be completely honest, the lip oil at a $20 value already makes the box worth it because I do love this product. I've been using it for a very long time, ever since it came in my Boxycharm, and they sent me like 3. So I have actually held on to these. I did not give any away, and this is my second tube. That being said, I'm probably going to end up opening the mango one because I'm eager to see how the mango one looks. From an ingredient standpoint, they're identical. There's really no difference to them. The only difference is in the light tint to them. But like I said with the blue one, and I'll put a tiny bit on so you can see, it doesn't add any blue to the lips. It's not adding any color. You can definitely feel how nice it is, but there's no tint to it, so you don't have to worry about like your lips looking blue. Although if everybody got the pink one, that's a non-issue. Anyway, that rant aside, let me know your thoughts down below. What did you think of the 10th anniversary glossy box for August? I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!